Yeah, hi guys. We are continuing from here. We are still designing our buttons, okay? So we have our first row, the second row, the third row, and the fourth row. So as we are defining the calculator buttons, so on the normal calculator, we have some definitions on the buttons. So we can say that we have our 7, 8, 9 on the first row. The second row will be our 4, 5, 6. Then you bring one of the operation sign. Let's say multiplication. Okay, good. So let's continue define our buttons. So we are on the fourth row. So with the fourth row, you have to, I use C as cancel. If you want to cancel some operation, I will use C. For me, I will use C, okay, to cancel. Good. Then I have to close the block because I'm done with the bottom definition. So I have to close the block. So after closing, I have to set the starting row and column for the buttons. So I have to assign some numbers to them. Okay, I have as I declare the role as row var and the column as what, the call var. Now I am assigning some figures to it. Okay, so that it can give me a loop. Okay, so I say I've assigned row var to 1, then the column var to, or the call var to what, 0. So this will loop through the pattern list to create buttons what dynamically. Do you understand? So that is why I am using what, loop, for loop in buttons. Okay, then I'm going to create what, an action for it. So I have introduced a lambda. So this lambda, it is more like what, a keyword, one of the keywords in what, Python. Okay, so this lambda will, and the button on click will help me to create what, a function to handle button what, clicks. Do you understand? Good. Then I have to move or create a button with text and assign what, function. So I have to create my button with text. So this one will help me to decorate my button. Okay, so I will choose my font style and the font size, the width and the height. Okay, then 18 is not bad. So let me use width. Let me use 5. I think 5.2 is not bad. Then the height. So the height, let me use, let's say 2. 2 is okay. So then I assign the command equal to action. So let me assign command to action. So command equal to action. So the grid will help you to arrange the button, the text area on the, let's say, a panel that will help you to arrange your buttons and the text area. Okay, so I have the role equal to the one that we declare, that is the role var, and the column equal to the column that we declare as what, the call var. Okay, good. So we have to do something here, else the arrangement of the button on the calculator will not be nice. So we have to do something here to give us a proper arrangement of the button on the grid. Okay, so we have to do something here. Okay, so let me see. Let me type something like let's say cover plus, right? Yeah, equal to 1. Now, so I have to do something that will help me to move the next button to the next line. Okay, so let's say if cover is greater than 3, let's say if the contents are 3, then the cover equal to 0, right? Then the row plus what, equal to 1, meaning if 4 buttons are placed in a row, move to the next row. That's good. So that is the meaning of this small code that you see here. Okay, so if 4 buttons are placed in a row, move to the next row. Is it not good? Yeah. So then I have to route to main loop. So our next video will help us to see the coding that we've done. Okay, and it will help you to see the whole show and when we run it, you will see your calculator on your laptops. Okay, good. So make sure you watch the last video for you to get the concept well. Okay, good. Thank you.